Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to allow site fonts permission on Google Chrome for your PC, particularly after a recent update. This feature enhances your browsing experience by enabling websites to utilize the fonts installed on your device. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or from your taskbar. Once Chrome is open, navigate to the site you want to allow fonts for. Simply type the website address into the address bar and press Enter. Next, look for the site information icon located next to the web address. This icon typically looks like a padlock or an information symbol. Click on it to proceed. Now, you will see a small menu pop up displaying basic site information. From here, click on Site Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various permissions for that specific website. In the Site Settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Fonts. Here, you will have options regarding font permissions. Next to Fonts, you will see a drop-down menu. Click on it and choose Allow. This action grants the website permission to use any fonts that are installed on your device. And that's it. You've successfully allowed font permissions for the site in Google Chrome. Now, when you revisit this website, it can utilize your local fonts for a more personalized and visually appealing experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more tips and tricks on enhancing your online experience. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.